So hello, now we will discuss mathematics grade 5, 2 questions. So first question, it was explain how the words form and the expanded form for the number 3,450,632 looks like, and how these two forms differ. So I write for you, and you can see how it is. And expanded form, we have 3 million plus 400,000 plus 50,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 2. Very easy how you hear, so you can write it. And task number 2, it was write in standard form 33,207,012. Okay, in standard form is 33, 207, 012. Okay, it's a 33,207,012. This is in standard form. So I hope it was helpful for you, and your homework, it was 100% correct. So see you next time and have a nice day. Bye everyone.